Looking for the latest in tech gadgets? Today we're diving into an array of innovative products: the Green Power Power Bank, electric screwdriver set, INIU Magpro charger, Hoto Air Pump Pro, Checkpad, Samsung Freestyle projector, Unitree pump, Huski air cooler, and Gravaster P9 headset. Each of these cutting-edge tools is designed to elevate your tech game and simplify your life. The Huski air cooler is a compact and portable device that brings powerful cooling right to your fingertips. Designed for convenience, it features a sleek and minimalist design that fits perfectly in any space, from your desk to your nightstand. With its energy-efficient operation, the Huski air cooler uses water evaporation to cool the air, providing a refreshing breeze without the noise or bulk of traditional fans. It's easy to use. Just fill the tank, plug it in, and enjoy cool, crisp air in minutes. Perfect for those hot days when you need quick and effective relief. The NIU Magpro charger is a sleek and powerful wireless charging solution designed for convenience and efficiency. With its ultra-thin profile and strong magnetic alignment, it securely snaps onto your device, ensuring a fast and stable charge every time. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Androids, this charger delivers up to 15 watts of power, allowing you to charge your phone quickly and efficiently. Its intelligent safety features protect against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Perfect for those who need a fast, hassle-free charging experience. The Hoto Air Pump Pro is a compact and powerful tool designed to handle all your inflation needs with ease. Whether it's inflating tires, sports equipment, or other inflatables, this gadget does the job quickly and efficiently. Its sleek design houses a digital display for accurate pressure readings, and with a rechargeable battery, it's always ready to go. The Hoto Air Pump Pro also features a built-in LED light, making it perfect for use in low-light conditions. This portable air pump is a must-have for anyone who values convenience and reliability on the go. The electric screwdriver set is a must-have tool for anyone tackling DIY projects or professional tasks. With its powerful motor, this set makes screwing and unscrewing fasteners effortless, saving you time and energy. It comes with multiple interchangeable bits, allowing you to work on various types of screws, whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electronics, or working on your car. The compact, cordless design ensures easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces, and the rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power. If you want to elevate your toolkit, the electric screwdriver set is a game-changer. Need reliable power on the go? Meet the Green Power Power Bank, a compact, eco-friendly solution for all your charging needs. With its massive battery capacity, you can charge your devices multiple times without worrying about running out of juice. The sleek design makes it portable, and its fast charging capability means less waiting and more doing. Plus, it's equipped with solar panels, allowing you to recharge it with sunlight, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Stay powered up and connected with the Green Power Power Bank, your ultimate energy companion. The Samsung Freestyle projector is a game-changer for entertainment on the go. This compact and portable device offers a 180-degree dynamic projection, allowing you to easily project your favorite movies, shows, or presentations onto any surface. With a built-in speaker and smart TV features, it delivers an immersive viewing experience without needing any extra equipment. The Freestyle also features auto-leveling, focus, and keystone correction, so you get a perfect picture every time. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or hosting a backyard movie night, the Samsung Freestyle projector brings big-screen entertainment wherever you are. The Gravister P9 headset stands out for its impressive blend of style and functionality. Featuring advanced noise cancellation technology, it provides an immersive audio experience by minimizing external sounds. The headset boasts comfortable, ergonomic ear cups designed for prolonged use, making it ideal for both gaming and professional calls. Its built-in high-definition microphone ensures crystal-clear communication, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your setup. With a long-lasting battery life, the Gravister P9 keeps you connected and entertained without frequent recharges. Whether you're deep into a game or engaged in a virtual meeting, the Gravister P9 delivers premium sound and comfort. The Unitree pump is a versatile and portable smart resistance training device designed to enhance your workouts anywhere, anytime. With adjustable resistance levels ranging from 4.4 to 44 pounds, it allows you to customize your strength training, whether you're targeting muscle growth, endurance, or rehabilitation. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, while the companion app tracks your progress in real time, offering personalized workout plans and data analysis. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts who want to maintain their routine on the go, the Unitree pump brings the gym right to your fingertips. The Gravister P9 headset stands out for its impressive blend of style and functionality. Featuring advanced noise cancellation technology, it provides an immersive audio experience by minimizing external sounds. The headset boasts comfortable, ergonomic ear cups designed for prolonged use, making it ideal for both gaming and professional calls. Its built-in high-definition microphone ensures crystal-clear communication, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your setup. With a long-lasting battery life, the Gravister P9 keeps you connected and entertained without frequent recharges. Whether you're deep into a game or engaged in a virtual meeting, the Gravister P9 delivers premium sound and comfort. From staying powered up with the GreenPower power bank to enjoying seamless audio with the Gravister P9 headset, these gadgets are here to transform your daily routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest tech. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the newest and greatest in gadgets.